Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can recreate this minimal logo. And let's dive right in. So I've already opened up a new document which is 1000 by 1000 pixels, and I've given a name to my document as well called the minimal logo. So what I'm going to do is that I will be using the ellipse tool for this. So the shortcut key for this tool is the letter L, and you can also just click on this panel and you'll see the ellipse tool right here. I do not require the fill as of now, I just require the stroke. So I'll be going ahead and also increasing the stroke weight. I'll be making it 22, no wait, I'll be just making it 20 for now. I'll be playing around with the stroke weight a little later in this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'll also make sure that my smart guides has been switched on from this views panel right here. The smart guides will be helping us make our logo. So what I'm going to do is that I'll come over here to the center, click on Shift plus Alt to make this one circle like this. Okay, and once that's made, I'll be using the scissors tool now. The shortcut key for the scissors tool is the letter C. I'll select this bottom anchor point, click on Shift and also select the right anchor point and go ahead and also delete this. So once this is made, I also want to just round off the edges of the stroke right here, right? So I'll select this, come over here to this stroke panel, and here in this cap option, I'll be using this round cap so we get a rounded edge. And while it's still selected, I'll be using this rotate tool, double click on this and giving it an angle of 315 degrees and clicking on OK. Once that's done, what I'm going to do now is that I'll be using the pen tool, clicking on this anchor point right here and clicking on Shift. I'll be making one straight line like this and it's in 45 degrees. Click on Escape to get rid of the pen tool and repeating the same thing on the other side as well. Click on this anchor point, click on Shift to create another line like that. Now what I'm going to do is that I'll just get this shape, I'll select all of them and then just bring it upwards a little. I'm going to go ahead and also just increase the line of these two lines that we just made. Click on this anchor point, click on Shift and I'll just increase it like this. Similarly on the other side as well, just select this anchor point and when you move it ahead, just click on Shift so that it stays on the right path like that. So once that's made, what I'm going to do is that I'll select this. I'll just go ahead and select this shape, this round shape again. Using the scissors tool, the shortcut key is the letter C. Select this anchor point right here. Click on Shift and select the other anchor point as well. And delete them. Not delete them. Okay. So as you can see by the scissors tool, we've just got this shape right here. So what I'm going to do is I'll Control C and Control V. Or just go to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste in front. And I'm just going to resize this a little like that. Get it? You want to resize this a little bit more like that. Okay, and I'll select this and I'll select this, and making sure that it's centrally aligned by going to the align panel and clicking on centrally aligned like that. So once that's made, I'll select this line again. No, wait. I'll select this, click on Alt and make another copy out of it. I'll rotate this again, but this time I'll rotate the other one to be in 90 degrees like this, and I'll go ahead and also resize this a little bit more so it becomes small, and bring it onto a stroke like that. So you might want to adjust this a little so that this stroke also fits with this stroke as well, right? So just play around, see if you can make it bigger. So the more bigger you make it, the more the stroke size is also going to increase. So I'll just make it 20 like that, and then just align it approximately like that. So once that's made, I'll select this and I'll make a mirror image out of it on the other side as well. So to do that, while this one is still selected, we go to Object, Transform and Reflect. Make sure that the vertical option has been switched on and click on Copy. And we will be using the Shift and the arrow keys to get it on the other side like that. So it fits perfectly. Like that. So I'll select this line and select this as well. Click on Alt to make a copy so that it snaps to the inner circle that we had just made, and probably just extend this a little bit. Like I'll place it approximately over here. Select this inner one and increase the stroke weight to 20 as well. So now I'll be using the direct selection tool. Click on this anchor point and just bringing it down to this anchor point so it snaps into place. Now I'll be doing the same thing on the other side as well. So I'll select this and clicking on Shift to select this half circle again. Go to Object, Transform and Reflect, Vertical, click on Copy, and then just bringing it onto the other side like that. Okay, so we are almost done. We just have to make these two as well. So select these two again, click on Alt to make a copy like this, and I'll rotate this one to 315 degrees again, or just in case if that's not happening, just rotate it like this, and I'll also rescale this a little bit by clicking on Shift plus Alt, making it a little smaller. And then just bringing it over here, making sure that it's the right stroke size as well. It's 20. Select these two again, and I'll make another mirror on the other side as well. So we go to Object, Transform, Reflect, Copy, and then just bring the other one to the other side like that. Since all of this is made, I'll select all of them and then just, oops, it's not everything is selected like this, and then just bring it upwards like that. So there you go. we've made our minimal logo. Now the only thing that's left to do is that we'll be saving this now. So in order to do that, we'll be going to File, clicking on Save As. So as you can see, by default, our file name is the same as our document name, which is Minimal Logo, and our Save As type is Adobe Illustrator. I highly recommend that we save our file in this format so that just in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily do that by accessing my AI file, and we click on Save and OK. And there you go. We've also now successfully saved our document in an AI file. So now that we've come to the end of our video, I hope you found this tutorial to be useful, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.